Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I have today our Southern Fleek Bath subscription box. There's some clues in what I'm holding up. Let's get into it and I'll tell you the whole story. I just made this video. Well, I guess technically I did not. I just rehearsed this video by doing a full unboxing. This time I've turned on the camera, so we will actually do the video. So I cannot pretend like I am surprised by any of these products. I have opened and played with all of them now, but now I'm going to share them with you guys. Southern Fleek Bath subscription is, I discovered her through other subscription boxes. I kept getting her body products and the scents always intrigued me so much. And they also worked really well. The scrubs scrubbed, but they weren't too rough. They never left me dry. Her bath bombs are amazing. Her scents are out of this world. And she actually saw one of my unboxings and she reached out and offered to send me a box to unbox. Since then, I have done a couple of unboxings. She's given me a code Kathrin. I will put the link to her Etsy shop and the code below. With the code Kathrin, you will get 10% off a purchase in her shop. I want to show you all of these goodies. This was caught up in that whole, my P.O. box was holding a stack of my boxes that they had put in the wrong number. So it is a little late, but I still want to show you these because they're so stinking adorable. First thing we have is the Southern Fleek Snow Fairy Body Oil. And you just shake it up. See? I know things. Now that I've unboxed it once, I've learned things. And it says, My Snow Fairy Body Oil. Soothe dry skin with this moisturizing oil that will sweetly scent your skin for hours. It has a very slight shimmer, so shake it before you use it and enjoy magical skin. What I discovered last time is I can't explain the scent of this. It is so nice. It's fruity, but it's difficult to explain because it's not a particular fruit. And it just says it has fragrance in it. I looked last time when I discovered I couldn't work it out. But it is aloe vera, jojoba oil, coconut oil, ginseng root extract, and then Actinidia chinensis fruit extract. I don't know what that is. And then fragrance. And it smells so good and it leaves your skin, I've got it on the tips of my fingers, it leaves your skin so soft. I love the scent of it. And I love a body oil. I just rubbed it in. Can you guys see it's gone? I love a body oil that absorbs. That's all I want out of a body oil, is for it to smell good and absorb nicely and leave my skin smelling good. Okay, this is the next thing. How stinking cute is this? We have an organza bag with snowflakes all over it. I worked hard to get it out last time, but that is what the bag looks like. And this is called Dear Santa. And that is what the tag looked like on it. It is a cup. We got one of these back in the fall that was pumpkin spice. Oh, it was so nice. I loved that one. This one has just kind of a cross between a peppermint smell and a full-on candy smell. It smells so good. Let me read you what it says about it and then I'll show it to you again because it's really cool. It says, Dear Santa Bath Bomb with bubble frosting. This beautiful Christmas concoction smells great and will leave your skin super soft with the help of the cocoa butter ball on top. The frosting will make lots of bubbles. Just dissolve under running water and agitate until desired bubbles are reached. Then drop the whole cup in and remove it after the fizzing stops. So this is something to make you soft. The ball is cocoa butter. And then can you guys see up on top right here, there's like a disc. And this disc that sits here, you agitate it under the water and you'll get bubbles. And then the rest of it, once the disc has given you the bubbles, you will drop it in the water and it will fizz. So you have a bubble bar and you have a bath bomb and you have something that's going to make you soft and leave you smelling really good. That smells so good. This is just the most fantastically fun self-care. I just love it. Next out, we have, how cute is this? It is reindeer poop. I'll take it out and show you. But it says, heard you've been naughty, so here's the scoop. All you're getting for Christmas is reindeer poop. So let me open it up. And what it is 9 little bath bombs. And they are in fun primary colors. And I am generously going to pass these on to my granddaughter to try because they love nice fizzy baths too. We're raising self-care girls over here. So they will absolutely love these. And it will give 9 fun baths. I can't wait to hear how they color the bath. And this says, enjoy 9 mini bath bombs in 3 different scents. Use all now or save some for later. Merry Christmas. And they just smell, it smells kind of like the Snow Fairy. It's just a nice kind of fruity, clean scent. I like it a lot. So in theory, You could drop like 3 in and have a pink, a yellow, and a blue in your bath, and it would be so much fun. Or you can do 9. You can do them all separate. Love it. And next out, how cute is this? This was tied up so much nicer than this, just for the record, guys. I've just already opened it. It is a Grinch bath bomb. Yeah, how adorable is that? It's just a green bath bomb, but it has a heart embedded in it, and the heart is made out of soap. It says it is a citrus-scented coconut lime bath bomb that has a heart soap embedded, sure to make your love grow larger. For bath bombs, that is. I love bath bombs. It would be hard to make me love them more. And I cut a little hole in this one already too. Oh yeah, and it smells, you can smell the lime. The lime is the first thing you get. And then there's the coconut. It just smells, for a Christmas box, and it's all super fun. It's a lot of fruity, and I like that. It's not everything that you expect to get at Christmas. Everything doesn't just smell of the same thing. It smells so good. That one I will be keeping for myself. And last out of the box, we have the Southern Fleek Sugar Scrub, and that is what that looks like. This is a full 8 ounces. It is a big tub, and it is in Peppermint Noel. And one of the things I was saying, it was one of the very first things that I enjoyed that Southern Fleek, Nickey does at Southern Fleek, is she did a melon body scrub. And what you need to know about the melon body scrub is I don't even really love melon. The smell of cantaloupe or honeydew, not my favorite scents, but there was still something about hers that I loved. I mean, loved till gone. And I had easily been using it halfway through perhaps, and I probably did it right in the unboxing, I'm not sure, but every time I would use it, I would screw off the lid, scoop out my stuff, screw the lid back on, and then do my business. And then about halfway through, I realized Nickey's much more clever than that, and she gave us a nice lid that opens like that. And it took me probably halfway through my other scrub to realize that. So didn't get me this time. And this is what it looks like inside. And it is just like, it makes me think of marshmallow cream. It has that kind of, will it do that? I don't know if you guys can see. It has that kind of pull away like a marshmallow cream would have. It feels cloudy and soft and cottony, and it smells so good. I did it on the back of my hand last time. It made my hand so soft. I could just sit here and smell it. It is peppermint, absolutely. You would smell this and you would know it is peppermint. That said, it is not so much peppermint that I won't be using it now. This is going straight down and into my shower, and I won't be thinking, oh, Christmas, every time I open it. It's just kind of a candy, slightly mint. It just smells good. There's just no other way to say it, guys. It just smells so good. And I loved the way it felt on my skin. What she said about it was, it is a large 8-ounce yummy peppermint vanilla tonka scented scrub. So you do get the vanilla a little bit. I don't know what tonka is, but it's really, this is sweet but not overly pepperminty, not overly vanilla. It gently exfoliates while cleaning and energizing the skin with peppermint essential oil. It leaves you feeling soft and fresh. Well, it left me feeling soft and fresh, and I didn't even add water. I just put it on and then wiped it off with a towel that I have up here, and it felt fantastic. All right. That's my Southern Fleek box. Yes, I just looked at the timer, and I am indeed taping, so 2 thumbs up. The items included in the December box were the Snow Fairy body oil, this amazing Peppermint Noel body scrub, the cute Rain Bears could be scary, reindeer poop bath bombs. This, oh, so cute. And I will probably do this tonight. I will probably use this in my bath and use the minty scrub on myself and have a full on mint experience tonight. But this nice Dear Santa Bath Fizz Bubble Bath and little cocoa butter softening, and the Grinch bath bomb. So cute. If you have interest in this, I will put her link below, and Kathrin will get you 10% off your purchase at her site. Thank you so much for coming by. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to be here at the channel and watch my videos. If you are new, I would love it if you would consider subscribing, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I hope I will see you really soon. Bye, guys.